The price of PEPE coin may be bottoming out. Now, nobody can predict the future, so nobody knows if this is going to be the bottom, if prices are going to determine with any level of certainty whether or not the price is going to go up or down tomorrow. But we can look at technical levels of support and resistance, and we can look at what's going on in the overall market to predict whether or not this could be, and I emphasize the could, a turning point in an asset. That's what we're going to be doing with PEPE today. We're going to be looking at the price action. We're going to be looking at levels of support. We're going to be checking out the volume very quickly, and we're going to be looking at overall social media activity because, of course, all of these could be signs that PEPE is bottoming and could soon turn around. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn. Please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet, you absolutely should. But nonetheless, guys, these exchanges are a great place to buy coins like PEPE and others without trading and paying the expensive gas fees that Ethereum and other networks have right now. Now, like I say, we need to look at a few different factors to determine whether or not PEPE is bottoming, and we're going to be looking at the numbers right now because the numbers don't lie. People's optimism might be a little bit of a warning there, but the numbers are fortunately slowing down. And I say fortunately slowing down for PEPE because when you're on a downtrend and volume is subsiding, that means that people are less likely to be selling a coin and less likely to be selling PEPE right now. So let's go over some of these statistics. PEPE is up 4.5%, almost 5% on the day today, sitting around 158 points per coin, which is excellent. Why is that excellent? Because over the last day, tested 150 points per coin. The previous day, tested 150. The previous day, tested 150. So for the last week, PEPE has been testing this 150 point per coin level, and the bears have been unable to push PEPE down through that. So we are setting up, and this is tough to believe, but we are setting up a very strong level of support at that 150 point per coin mark. Why would 1 week's worth of action be so strong? Well, the coin has only been out for a month. So when you've got 1 week out of the entire month, or 25% of the coin's life proving to be support, it is a very significant level of support indeed. The only time breaking lower since PEPE made a name for itself was the weekend after it hit an all-time high. Traders began to take their profit after the Binance, KuCoin, and Crypto.com listing, and they drove the price of PEPE down to 100 points per coin. When it fell to 100 points per coin, Elon Musk had a beautiful tweet that shot it back up 100% to 200 points per coin. Now, since then, it has been trading in this range and slowly consolidating in this 150 point per coin area. So that is an excellent level, or an excellent indicator that a major level of support could have been formed here. Now, one of the next things we need to go look at is the volume. Guys, PEPE volume is down drastically from where it was when PEPE was hitting these all-time highs. PEPE, like I say, around that 150 to 160 point per coin mark with a $600 million market cap. Now, we know that this is roughly a 60-some% decline from the all-time highs that PEPE saw 2 weeks ago, but volume is down nearly 90% from those levels. So what does that mean? In the beginning of the video, I talked about if volume is falling as the price is falling, that's not necessarily a bad sign. It simply means that there's less excitement going on right now, which is absolutely true. Pepe is not reaching all-time highs. People are not FOMO buying in at the moment because, of course, Pepe received its Binance listing. Everybody wants to get in before that major catalyst. And traders use the Binance listing as Pepe's ultimate catalyst, right? And therefore, a lot of people who were in early were able to sell off. But the volume right now is down 29% over the last 24 hours. Pepe yesterday in the $200 million range. Pepe today doing $150 million in volume. This doesn't indicate that there's a major sell-off going on. In fact, it indicates that there's less and less and less people jumping in and buying the coin, and that's why we're seeing the consolidation that we are. The price action is leveling off and consolidating around that 150 point per coin mark, and the trading volume also fading. If volume was rising and the price was falling, that would indicate more and more and more people are selling, but that is not what we are seeing right now. So in theory, right, it is a good sign, but, of course, the less volatile a coin is, the less people may be interested in it. Because, of course, the cryptocurrency market is extremely ridden with regulatory concerns right now. And just an example of how few people are interested in cryptocurrency at the moment, the Bitcoin Bash that's held every year down in Miami only had half the attendance this year that it did last year. So it's not just people trading. It's people who go to the conventions. It's people who are excited about the future of cryptocurrency. It's people who just want to party. And there's half of them that are going to these events this year than were at those events last year. So if we can't even excite people enough to go to a party, how can we excite them to buy into cryptocurrencies? The only way we're going to be able to do so is if the overall market turns around. And I truly believe that Pepe could be a massive front runner during a bull market, but of course we have to get that bull market mentality back in people's minds. 200 people added Pepe to their wallets over the last, it actually might not even be 200 people, it might just be 200 new wallets. 200 new Pepe wallets were created over the last 24 hours. That is not a very optimistic outlook. That is not a very huge increase. It's 0.2% over the previous day, and basically brings us back to the day before yesterday. Pepe yesterday had lost about 300 or 400 holders, and today we're gaining about 200 to 300 holders. So Pepe rising again in terms of wallets, but basically bringing us back to where we were just a couple of days ago. I do not think that the excitement is over. I simply believe that people are unfocused at the moment, and I believe that people are unwilling to invest a lot of money because prices are not moving higher. Prices are very stagnant in the cryptocurrency world. So I want to know what you guys think, because I do believe that Pepe is in a consolidation period and may be nearing a bottom based on the technical analysis and based on the overall cryptocurrency market right now. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.